Alright, this is how you can find the latest foreign exchange events completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
So forexfactory.com, recommended website because, well, we can see here that we can see all the events that's going to be coming out, or fundamental analysis, you could say. You go to the top right hand screen and click settings. You can see here that you can change some of these settings, but that's actually for the ticker symbol. Excuse me, you go under here, it's a filter, which is still on the top right hand screen, and you have the impacted events. So red folder is the highest impact. Here is medium impact or orange, and then low impact is colored yellow. You have different event types. If you just want to see inflation, employment, then you can uncheck everything else, and then you can click apply filter, and you can even have different currencies. So now when we apply this filter, we can see here for today we do have some high impact and even low impact events, and you can just click this arrow right here for all of the different events. And if you even scroll down, you have different news and latest stories for Forex completely for free, as you can see, more or less, give or take.